I was in here briefly yesterday, I noticed a lot of you were having problems with the variable being on both sides. And Mr. Firkin was in here talking to Jordan and Casey and Keeley, if I remember correctly. And we said just ignore the sign for right now and call it an equal sign. You can solve all these inequalities just like this as long as when you come back in for your final answer, you put the appropriate sign in. Let's go ahead and solve it with an equal sign. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Now I have 2x is equal to 14x minus 14. I could subtract 14x from both sides. Yes, this is going to give me a negative variable term, but that's all right. We can deal with it. These cancel out, leaving me with negative 12x. And divide both sides by negative 12. I have x is equal to, what is this? Positive 7.6, or about 1.17-ish. Notice right here, get a different colored Sharpie, that I divided by a negative number, divided by negative 12 here. I remember when this is an original inequality that I'm really using the less than greater than sign, which means my sign ultimately is going to flip because I divided by a negative. Notice you don't have to do this whole equation sign thing if these signs make sense to you, but if it makes you more comfortable to make it an equation and then go back and put the sign in. Oh, my lights just went off. Woo! They're motion centered. That should be a nice little laugh for your class later. So really, x is greater than or equal to 7.6, or about 1.17.